Welcome! In this quick video, we'll show you how to assemble your wooden lantern in just 6 easy steps. Unpack your lantern pieces. All exterior sides face up. Any light charring on the back is normal. It should face the inside of the lantern. Start with the 2 wide sides. Insert their tabs into the long sides of the rectangular base. Make sure the panels sit flush with the base. If they overhang, they're reversed. Next, slide the narrow sides into the grooves of the wide panels. Insert the bottom tabs into the base until everything fits snugly. No glue is required. Take the LED light and add 3 AAA batteries by unscrewing the light. Close the light and place the light inside the lantern. Now align the top with the side grooves. Press firmly to secure. The fit is snug. Your lantern is ready. Enjoy the warm glow. When the season ends, simply disassemble and store flat. Use the thin rectangular pieces to protect the tabs for next year.